Hello, everyone. In this video I will show you how I made this surreal eye. But before that, if you are new to the channel, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to stay notified. So let's begin now. First, you can download this eyeball image from Google easily and also should find some melting candles images. After adding the eyeball image to its right place, I will then add this candle image and mask the part I want. After masking it out, I will place it above the eye and use the tool liquify to give it the round shape like that. After that, I will use another portion of the image from previous pic to add above it to give it a melting look. I will mask this part out with low opacity and flow to blend with the below image. After that, I will pick the brush tool and choose the color, and with low flow I will paint some stuff with my mouse to give it a believable look. You can also use some texture brushes if you want. I have some of the textures brushes, so I am going to use that. You can easily get some free textures brushes from brusheasy.com. Holy shit, that took a lot of time. Okay. Now we are done with the painting stuff. Now let's group everything. After that, we will match the eyeball with the melting wax with the help of levels, selective color, and color balance. Okay, now let's make a new layer, and the blending mode to multiply. Now with the brush tool selected, we choose a color which is not completely black. With that, we will paint a subtle shadow underneath the melting wax with flow on 3%. Now with the curves layer I will try to match the lighting a little. Okay, now it looks fine. But I still think it is not looking a one thing. Fine. We will fix it now. Let's select a new layer with blending mode on soft light. We will paint some colors. Now I will use this same process and try to match the subject a little more. I think I also have to try some different things also. But the ending result will be convenient, so, let's go. Looking okay now. Let's add the flame. For that I have this image. I will select the flame part and will copy and paste it. And we'll change the blending mode to lighten. Now duplicate it and mask the thread area. I will also paint the thread. Okay. Now let's add the glow. First create a solid layer. Change the blending mode to linear dodge add. And invert the layer mask. Now with the flow 10% paint a nice big glow. I will also create a new layer in color dodge mode and paint on it. I will also use some layers in hard light, and in soft light mode, and paint on it, to make the glow pop even more. also use solid layer to paint light bounce on the eyeball and wax. It will give a more shining effect.
Now there's not much left. Add the shadow, light, smoke and finally color grading. You can use any method for the color grading, it depends on you. There you have it. Your surreal eye. Now if you love the video then please like the video and subscribe. Then, I will see you in the new video. Bye.